year in Queensland, we throw away 2.7 billion recyclable containers. That's enough to fill Suncorp Stadium almost 10 times. But since the Containers for Change scheme started in this state, more than half of those containers are being recycled, and that's great news. Because the PET, or polyethylene terephthalate, that these containers are made out of is 100% recyclable. And there are companies who are using it to make a whole range of new products.
We're a manufacturer of all sorts of plastic products that Queenslanders use every day, and we'd be converting hundreds, if not thousands of products from being a virgin material into a recycled material.
How would you feel if I told you that most of the PET collected in Queensland comes back to you on your supermarket shelves in the form of plastic food trays like this?
That would be awesome.
Be super happy.
Delighted. That would be great, and it would make me more likely to buy that product.
I definitely pick it over non-Australian products.
I'm very much for Australia and Queensland products.
Well, I'd support it all the way. I really would.
Thanks to the latest track and trace technology, we can show you exactly what happens to Queensland PET from the minute you cash in your plastic containers through processing, manufacturing, and transporting, then back onto the shelves in your local supermarket. A completely validated circular economy in action. It all starts here when you deposit your recyclable containers at your local Containers for Change refund point.
The Queensland Containers for Change scheme is all about reducing litter and increasing recycling. So we're going to track these bottles through the entire loop to show you where they go and what they become.
The PET bottles you cash in Queensland are purchased by a company that can convert them into a more usable form, like PET pellets or flakes. This material has been purchased by Astron Sustainability and is sent to its dedicated PET recycling facility located in northern New South Wales for processing.
Astron Sustainability is very excited to be able to purchase Queensland plastic waste in the form of this simple PET bottle and recycle it, transforming it into a clean raw material we can use.
First, the plastic is cleaned and washed, then cut down so it can be used in manufacturing. This batch of Queensland PET is being turned into flake, which is then placed into bags and tracked as it's packed up and shipped to Astron Sustainability's manufacturing plant that makes recycled products for Queensland. Here, the PET flakes are turned into sheets and formed into the type of food trays that you find at your local supermarket.
This is Queensland PET, recycled and repurposed waste generated in this state. And we can prove that we can track it. And not only that, when you're finished with it, you can throw it in the bin and reuse it again.
This is the circular economy in action in Queensland. 100% of the PET you deposit at a refund point in Queensland is 100% collected and 100% recycled, so it can be purchased back here in Queensland by Queenslanders like you.